Need the best auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Round Mountain area? If you are looking for an auto body shop in Cedar Park's Round Mountain area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Cedar Park, Texas Round Mountain service, body repair service estimate. Getting your automobile fixed is a wise method to keep your vehicle going, particularly if it's been in a mishap. It can truly save you money as well as time. Nevertheless, understanding where to take your vehicle for repairs is a difficult choice. You wish to make sure that you are getting high-quality repair at a reasonable expense. There are lots of things to search for when selecting an auto body repair shop. If your vehicle needs repair, discover exactly how to select the very best vehicle repair shop for your vehicle. You should start looking by asking around or dropping into regional auto body repair shops. Find out what type of work they do, how long it will take to complete the repairs, how much it will cost you, as well as the type of process they utilize to fix vehicles, as well as anything else you may believe is important. Below are a few more things to look for when you wish to get your auto. Look for a shop that provides a wide variety of services. That way every one of your auto body demands can be satisfied at the exact same place, as well as taken care of by the exact same licensed expert. You will be saving money as well as time getting it all done at one place. Something to examine is how long the repair shop has been in business. This is not a sole indicator, however, if the shop has been around for a long time, it is likely that they are trusted as well as should do a great task on your vehicle. Make sure that you authorize of the high quality of work that the auto body shop creates. You wish to get the repair done the proper way the first time. It is totally appropriate to ask the shop to see instances of the work they have formerly done. This will provide you the very best concept of what to expect. Despite the fact that high quality is among the most considerable things you are looking for, you will wish to get a great cost also. Do not just select the very first shop. Search around as well as compare as well as contrast all elements of their service, then choose the one you feel fits you as well as your vehicle. Make the effort as well as discover the right auto body repair shop that will not only fix your vehicle, however treat you like the client who is always right as well as wants his vehicle done right. Body collision repair near my house for Cedar Park, Texas Round Mountain. Visit a local auto body shop in the Cedar Park, Texas Round Mountain area to get your truck back on the road with haste. This is a page on auto body shop in Cedar Park Round Mountain. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.